Engine-driven welders are essential pieces of equipment on most every job site because they provide auxiliary power and multi-process field welding using stick, TIG, MIG, flux cord, and carbon arc gouging processes. There are a full range of gasoline and diesel options that you can consider to match your needs. Bobcat and Trailblazer series are a smaller, lighter weight gasoline option, whereas the Big Blue series are larger in size, weight, amperage, and use diesel. Miller engine-driven welders are used primarily in the following applications: construction, fabrication, maintenance and repair, service trucks, structural steel, sheet metal, pipe, farm and ranch. Machine features will vary by model, but provide portability. Peak generator output from 9,500 to 11,000 watts. A range of 20 to 400 amps. Multi-process capability for stick, MIG, flux cord, and TIG welding, along with carbon arc gouging. Arc reach technology for making parameter changes at the weld joint. Easy-to-use and intuitive interfaces. Exceptional welding arc performance. Supplies auxiliary power that has zero interference with the welding arc. When multiple welding operators will be working in an area, consider multi-operator solutions to reduce the job site equipment and simplify fleet management versus individual welding machines. Read and follow all labels and instructions in the owner's manual carefully before operating. Welding requires the following safety apparel: safety glasses, welding helmet, flame retardant welding jacket, welding gloves, leather shoes, and jeans without cuffs. Prior to starting your engine-driven welder, make sure the exhaust pipe is securely attached and pointing away from any operators, that the battery is charged, and check the engine oil and fuel levels. Once you've finished the pre-start checks, proceed to start the engine-driven welder with the engine control switch. After the engine has started, turn the engine control switch to either the run idle or run position. For Trailblazer 330 models, there is a run or auto speed position. For best welding practices, please refer to the filler metal electrode manufacturer's spec sheet for the specific amperage, voltage, and wire feed speed parameters that apply. Turn the engine control switch to the off position to shut down the machine. Disconnect the weld cables from the front of the machine. Engine-driven welders are always used outdoors and typically transported on a truck or trailer. Before renting out the engine-driven welder, consider the following: fuel type, generator kilowatt needs, cutting or gouging thickness, weight and size. Is there a need for battery charge crank assist? Job site noise considerations. Contact Herc Rentals to rent engine-driven welders or for more information.